guys, guess what? It's our first video! Hi guys, welcome to our video. Tana. What are with that? What are with that, Tana? Alright, my bad scratching. Welcome to our first video. Guys. Our first video. Yes, the first video. Welcome. I know you guys have been waiting for this, so here we go. Hi. Guys, to be honest, it's our first time on YouTube and so on, so it's very nerve-wracking, so just bear with us, okay? Just bear with us. Normally I don't do videos like this, and I'm stepping right out of my comfort zone. Normally I know I'm not a person that always talks out, but I'm Michelle. And I'm Latanya, and welcome to the LaMich sisters. So guys, I am 21 years old. I'm currently going to the University of Technology. And yeah, we both decided to start YouTube to, as a little hobby on the side. And that we came up with the name, guys. when quarantine recently started, right? We came and we said, all right, we're gonna do this thing, we're gonna do YouTube, and we said, yeah, man, what you mean we're gonna do it? I know 2020 gone. And then we say no, Michelle, no, man, that year, yeah, we'll have to do the video. So see it, guys. I eat this. Yeah, this is the first video. Well, I am a student at the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean, otherwise known as UCC. Yeah, normally I'm a person who does not do these things at all. I'm the person that is more reserved. I don't like to talk in a crowd or anything like that. And this is me stepping out of my comfort zone. So guess what? I want to inspire others, maybe like me, who are afraid to do stuff like this. So this challenge is me stepping out of my comfort zone and maybe inspiring others to do things like this. You understand? So yeah. This is why we came up with this. So we created this YouTube platform to do a bunch of stuff. So our channel is not based on one specific thing. We're going to do challenges. We're going to do any little thing that you can think about. We're going to also cook. Showcase our cooking talent. Yeah. Everything challenging, games, any little thing you can think about. We want to do it, right? So each video we drop, we want to also give an inspiring quote. So the quote for today is, it is important, it is good to be important, but it is most important to be kind. Tanya, what does that mean to you? Alright, so to me, being important is very important. Because you must know your self-worth, right? And being kind, you don't know, when you be kind, you don't know what you could do for someone. Just to show a little kindness can bring you a far way in life. So yeah. The other day I was looking at a short film and I saw this film and it really grabbed my attention. It is about a little boy begging on the road, and this lady and her husband was passing. So the lady decided to stop and give this little boy. She didn't have any money. She wasn't rich. She was also poor. She wanted the money too, but she saw this little boy begging, and her heart went out to him, right? So she stopped and gave him money, and even when she was giving him the money, her husband ran her and said, come on, why you want to give him money? Come on. And she gave him just the same. So years passed by, and I believe maybe her husband left her. She was alone and she was living somewhere, and it happened to, I don't know what happened. It was selling, or maybe the landlord that sold the place, and she didn't have anywhere to go, and she was pleading with the landlord, say, that I want to
if you could just allow me to stay. And he said, no, I cannot help you because someone has purchased the place and you have to go. Like, no. And she was there and he was like hurry to say, you need to go today because he's coming today. And then it so happened that the person that purchased the apartment, I believe, he came by and he saw her. And he told the man that leave her alone. The property is for her. So the landlord was so ecstatic, like he was so like, how can this be her place? And say yes, he bought it for her. Little did you know that young man was the young man that she had gave the money to when he was little, and he remembered her to this day. And he said to her, I remember when I was young and you gave me money, and that turned around my life. So this is to show that a little kindness may go a long way. You don't know how far or how it will impact somebody. So listen, show a little kindness. Just a little kindness. Just a little kindness.
Just a little kindness
will help you by it. Trust me.
I look at that. Oh God, that is a good story.
Yes, I believe so too.
That's
yeah.
a good story. So guys, we're going to try and come up with some inspiring quotes at
every video. So we're gonna give a quote and we're gonna also talk about it also. So we're gonna give our insight on them. So look forward for that.
So what's next on the list?
So we have a little game to play.
Just to break the ice.
Yes. So it's about translating Jamaican proverbs. And you know
proverbs.
Them there's something hard to translate, you know.
And they hard to read.
Oh my God. Yes, not to mention to read. But guess what? We're gonna try it today. We might so silly, but guess what? We don't care. We just have to do it thing.
Alright.
You understand? So who wants to go first? You want to go first?
Let's go first.
Alright, let's go first. So let me look for your.
So we're gonna do alternately.
Yeah. So
alright.
Yeah. So So
my first one. Come here, go first.
Yeah, go first. Alright. One.
Alright. So let me see this.
Guys, me go try coming on work.
It says, "Pit in the sky, it fall in your eye." So translation. If you spit in the sky, it falls into your eyes. And what does
if
that?
If you spit in the sky, it falls in your eye. Alright. What I'm getting from this is you must not try to do things, not thinking that it gonna affect you. Right? So if you always try to do things and remember say have consequences. That's how I get from it. Me don't know if I say like that. I let me get.
Alright, yeah. I'm agreed with me. What you would do to or wish for others could eventually be the cause of your downfall.
Well,
be careful of how you treat others. So she gets it summarized. One of these.
Yeah, but we do a good job, And bear in mind, we don't know these. Like we came up with it. Like each of us pick one, just random. We don't even show.
So she picked 10 and I also.
Right, so she don't know what I'm going to tell or ask her.
Yeah.
So Tanya, you're one now. Bucket go out well every day. When I see them now, they might fight I mean no, but come. Bucket go out well every day. One day the bottom must drop out. And the translation is the bucket goes to the well every day. One day the bottom will fall out. What you think you mean?
Bucket go out well every day. One day the bottom must fall out.
Oh my.
Meaning, like, if you do something, like, for instance, suppose you do something bad, like, one day somebody gonna see it. Like, if you did it secretly.
Yeah.
Like, one day somebody have to see it. Something like that.
Alright, let me read what I mean now. So, alright. Every imprudent action will eventually come back to get you in trouble.
Get it?
Tanya. Okay.
Alright, you're one now. Me come here for drink milk. Me not come here for count cow. Translation. I came here to drink milk, not to count cows.
Alright, what me get from this? I'll try. Alright, so like I say, in life no, you come to get something. But you know come to watch what others have. You want to get what you want. You know, something like that me get.
Alright, I'm reading it. It says, mind your own business. Enjoy what you are entitled to. Don't worry about details which do not concern you.
Oh, then me kind of get that right there. You get that right. So, let me find one good one now. Alright, if you're born fi hang, you can't drown. So the translation, if you were born to be hung, you cannot drown.
So like them I say, you know, like then I say, God know your destiny. So like them I say something like, if you did born for kick ball, like suppose you did born for kick football, play football, you can't do running. Something like that, you know what I mean? Like, what for you? Something like that, I don't know.
Alright, so here what it said now, it said, everyone has a destiny to be filled, whatever that may be. So that's true.
True. I don't know something. Alright, mine. So big blanket make man sleep late.
Yeah, no, so yeah.
Translation: a thick blanket causes a man to sleep late.
I feel that the more comfortable a person is, they will want to stay within the comfort zone or the comfort of the shelter where they're under.
Okay.
I think. What do you think about that one there?
So it says, an overabundance of luxuries causes one to become complacent.
Oh, see?
And to take life's blessings for granted.
Oh, okay. Interesting. Alright, so hear this now. Me know you hear this before, but me don't know if you know what I mean.
Alright.
So hear this. Fire there must steal him think a cool breeze. So, you know? We have to give you the English part. So, fire at the moose tail, he think it is cool breeze. So, moose's tail and think a cool breeze. So, come.
Fire there must, you know, me always say for you, but me not think me know what I mean. Fire there must tail and think a cool breeze. Like, something like, you feel like, weird.
2 hours later.
You feel like you're in a good situation, but instead I want bad situation.
Let's see. Them say no. Exercise caution in all you do, and if you find yourself in trouble, extricate yourself, like tongue twister. Take care of yourself.
Alright.
Take yourself away carefully, okay?
Right. Alright, my one say, what go on bad a morning can go on good at evening. Translation. What went wrong in the morning cannot be good in the evening, basically.
So what I get from this now? It means that if you do something like, suppose you build one house, you never put one steel and you never get one black. No, but I feel like say if you reach up at the top, it's going to be alright. No, something that will happen in the beginning. So this has to me say whatever you do, you make sure you do it good from morning. Because guess what? You're not going to be perfect in the evening. Or you're not going to be good in the long run.
So it is unwise to spend valuable time worrying about those problems we cannot solve.
Oh, see that now?
Also, it makes no sense to take precautions after we carelessly allowed a situation to get out of hand.
But me kind of right, no? Kinda. Alright, so your next one is find a good one. Hot needle burn thread. So hot needle burns thread.
Hot needle burns thread. So I wonder why Odin could be this, yeah. Hot needle burns thread. Like, nigga burn straight.
Okay.
Me honestly, me not know. But I gonna try.
Try.
At nigga burn straight. Like probably if I did in a one situation, I suppose somebody do you something, and like you get their like no. Suppose somebody thinks say you did do them something, but at the end of the day I never you did. So like the mistake correct. Me no know.
Let me tell you. Sorry for the tell you. It means say impatience can ruin the outcome of what you want. So at me go burn tread.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So be patient in life.
Yeah.
Patient man ride donkey.
Okay.
So go on my time. You shake man hand, but you not shake him heart. Translation. You can shake a man's hand, but you cannot shake his heart.
Alright, what me get from this now is you might feel that, alright, put it this way, like you are somebody's friend and you might feel like you are a person is good, but at the end of the day have your, you don't know, like let me get.
Really? It is impossible to detect what a person has in his mind towards you through mere physical contact. Do not, therefore, take people, their option, or their feelings for granted.
True. Wow. Simple as that. Imagine that. So hear this now. If you get your hand in a devil's mouth, take it out. If you put your hands in the devil's mouth, take it out.
Meaning, if you get in a one situation, like one bad situation, you must try for whatever you say, try to be careful if you come out of it. Like something like practice caution, come out of situation. Something like that.
Let me see now. Exercise caution in all you do, and if you find yourself in trouble. What on? No man. Did you give this already, man? Somebody get something me get already. You have to know something do. Tana, that's you say it so good, you know.
I lie.
I know something get already. Let me get one next man. Cha. Today for me, tomorrow for you. So today is mine, tomorrow is yours.
Alright. So this is saying that everybody glow at a specific time. Like everybody have their own time when they're going to achieve certain goals. So like so many times don't watch when people progress because your time is near. So
well, that's so natural. Let me see now. It means life is a series of ups and downs, and everyone has problems at different times in their lives. So okay.
Alright. Miss this now. You can't sit down on cow back cause cow king. You cannot sit on the back of the cow and curse the skin of the cow.
What they get? I will because of myself, but I like to shit they had a woman because of myself. I tell about they something rough. You can't what?
You cannot sit on the cow back. No, you cannot sit on the back of the cow and curse the skin of the cow. Think about it.
I think about it and I think about it hard. You know, it's a cow king kind of firm, you know? So I think like say, you can't put yourself in a situation then and expect say it to be soft, you know? Or you have to curse the situation when you put yourself in it. And that me I get.
So I say, we cannot disparage others. Worse yet, we should never be ungrateful to or to those who help us.
This far from it.
Or disdainful of to those who help.
Why that far from it, man?
I said like that me like it friend. If I say you cannot sit up on the cow back and cursing. Like me I say, imagine you get sit up on the cow back, but you still this up because like But you get a benefit friend because you get to them.
Right. Alright, let me see. So Tana, this is our last one. So let me see now. Let me give one good one. Oh, there. Hold on, man. I give one good one, you know. Hear this now. Oily tongue no must tell the truth. So, an oily tongue does not have to tell the truth.
Oily tongue does not tell the truth.
So, an oily tongue does not have to tell the truth. Which,
like, you feel like say somebody, like in one situation, like for example, one friend or something. You feel like say, yo, them not tell the truth, but it's still, I'm not tell a lie.
Alright, so then some of them say, tell you what it says. It says, be wary of a person who is a smooth talker.
Oh.
Yeah, so you know, oily tongue no must tell the truth.
True.
That's true. So Tana, you want to tell the peeps the bonus one? Like,
alright.
Comments, so tell them
so the bonus Jamaican proverb that we're going to give you is, every day devil help thief, one day God will help watchman. Translation: every day the devil helps the thief, one day God will help the watchman. So put down in the comment section what you think about that.
So guys, thank you for watching.
Yeah, guys, so this concludes the end of our video. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more, you know, because we're going to try our best to put out videos every week. We're going to try, so just stay tuned.
Yes, stay tuned. Thank you for watching our video, and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, we're going to leave on with one phrase. It's after that, no one can do what we do, so just do
the
right thing.
Do the right thing with every day.